Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 2, Mackenzie 1. I'm John Buffett, my brother. What's your name and where you from?
Chabula Mpumbuzokwi. Yeah, my name is Salman Igama Josie Undertaker. The amapiano and house musician. I'm talking about general. Come up, look. Buffett Chipezeze is pregnant. Bamshayila bafana. Bamdlile. He's pregnant, Chipezeze Buffett. I don't know what you're going to keep. He's pregnant. Bamshayila. He's pregnant because Jagabona lutho nje bamshayile umfana but asikho lapho uyabona I will tell you something else with my broken English ne uyabona bathi birds of the same flower smoke together. Yes. Ozani joinen smoking together. Uyabona lento leyendekeni ngalaphakathi ngala. Angaba imele eloftas. Ngoba kokuqala Miguel Cardoso ucoacha ngecondom. Engana mafutha. It's dry. Ucoacha ngecondom engana mafutha. So therefore ngesimuzwe le. So la mina ngishenisa ngena ngathi mina magesi they should have done the doing of the emailing of the match win. Bongumele bas email le win. Bongamelanga sibhala. So basmushe lisikali bona manje Sipezeze is pregnant. He must go and susa the mpa. Abe right. So but congratulations to my team Orlando Pirates. I'm so happy. Ngibonile abo police bafethu niphethe kamnandi. Yo, I was very happy for namadansana laphana badlala. So let's go out, see Elo Stars. Elo Stars lapana, make a show with it. Umlando njengoba sishiye la. Someone must be pregnant.
And what?
Yeah, baba.
Uthi Cardoso ucoacha ngani?
Ucoacha ngecondom. Cardoso is coaching with a condom. Yes, uzophula. Hey, yabo. Uzophula belt. Cardoso. Yes. Ayina mafutha. Ayina. So, my man, my parents ngafika lately we. Lel band lamle 20,000 cash contant ngizobanikeza lona ngoba siyowina lesithibo nakhona bokungamelanga si let them email the boy singasazi let them email please
uyazwa baba kanje
aba email lama boy ngoba kuyafana sibakhombile ene bebakhona ngibabonile la bebakhona now bebakhona so yebo so njoba ngishilo ngithi mina please let's smoke together as the birds of the same flower. Come and smoke with us at Orlando Pirates. What we're smoking is higher and it's expensive. So please le siyobashaya ucoach wabo ucoach ngecondom engana mafutha ngiyabonga Steve. Thank you so much.